Hey guys, Michelle Glass here. Welcome to our first episode, our first installment in our Chapter 17, Lecture 17 series. And our topic for this chapter are the special senses, which you have already started investigating as part of your lab work. So let's get started by talking about what is a special sense. So special senses are different from general senses, which you studied last semester, because special senses involve complex anatomical structures such as the ear or the eye or the nose or the tongue that's involved in helping to get that stimulus to our receptor cell. The receptor cell then is stimulated, sending that information to a sensory neuron, and then these special senses are things that we're consciously aware of. So obviously then the processing center would have to be located in the cerebrum. So we will see and be tracing the pathway of each of these sensations and see what the processing center is, what is called, where it's located. Okay, so what are our examples of our special senses? Well, we have olfaction, which is our sense of smell. We have gustation, which is our sense of taste. We have vision, of course, and equilibrium, which is basically the position of our head in space. So this is going to involve linear acceleration and gravity, types of information that we use for balancing our bodies. So you can also think of this as balance. And then hearing. So we'll be talking about each of these in their own videos. So let's get started with our next video.